Look after your plants and the environment with clever water use this summer. Here's how. Now there's a bit of a knack when it comes to watering your garden. Try and water early in the morning or later in the day before it gets too hot, and so the plants can absorb it. And it's important to water from the base. It's the roots that need it. Damp leaves can spread disease, and drops magnified by the sun might burn the plant. Get your hose settings right so you don't damage the plants or waste water. Most plants don't need a daily water, so just keep an eye on them and only water if they're looking thirsty. Now it sounds silly, but check the weather. There's no point in watering the garden if there's rain coming. Now for your pots, just fill to the top of the rim. Let that all soak through. Then after a few minutes, you can repeat if you think the plant needs it. You could also save yourself a job and install an irrigation system. Take a look at our Easy As guide on how to install irrigation to see how it's done. Now there's plenty of ways to help retain water and keep the soil moist in your garden this summer. Increase organic matter around the base of your plant. Water, then apply mulch to help keep the soil damp. Essential if you're going away on holiday. Now there's lots of products you can use to help keep your pots topped up. This Saturate aids in keeping the water down at the root level and stops it from all just flying straight through the pot. So we've got Saturate in here, it's helping to really retain the water in there, and this one is dripping out quite a lot. Try some water storage crystals, which hold water and then release it slowly over time. You can also catch rainwater off your roof through your downpipe using a downpipe diverter, something like this one. Or reuse water from household tasks like washing veggies. This is great during full hose bans. And finally, plant choice. If you live somewhere with hot, dry summers, choose plants to suit those conditions and save yourself some time and money. Make sure you subscribe to the Mitre YouTube channel for more great content, or click here to watch more now.